What's going on, guys? This is the Whistle Plays back again with another video. Today I'm going to be playing some Roblox and I'm going to be playing some Airplane 4. Let's go.
With
Oh yeah,
me.
With the Boss Name Teacher 256, aka Daniel. So let's go. Let's try to get in one by ourselves. So wait, when this is five, we go.
And if you're realizing why we are so tired, we just did a video.
Yeah, about
And it is painful.
very super
And I hate my life.
painful.
You'll see what I mean. I was banging my head on wood in the video.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna post it.
Please. I
Please
want
what?
that out. I just want that video out.
So
Just
he didn't-
because.
So we didn't
I was-
torture ourselves for no reason.
Yes.
Oh, wakey, eggs and bakey.
Don't say that to me. What? Don't tell me you forgot. We're not saying anything. Today is the big day. What big day?
What big day? Let me remind you.
Let me remind you.
We are flying to the Rohamas. Get down here.
No. I want to say it bad. Why? Fine. I see our custom airplane. I wish we could take the airplane with us. Okay. Oh my!
None of you have done your baggage.
No, I don't care.
I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have baggage ready before breakfast is not going on the trip. Oh,
Okay, I don't care. I'm lazy anyways.
If we are having burgers for breakfast, are you kidding?
You just said he just said we're having eggs and bacon. I really want to go to the trip. What are we going to do? I don't even remember where my clothes are.
Bro, we live in the house. How do you not know?
Okay. Where is what?
We
Are we
to
going to do? We are going to have to do 5 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing.
I'm in the girls' room.
Hey yo! I want to do an Earth one.
What?
Okay, I'm exploring. Let's see. There's no girls in here, and they have an Adopt Me unicorn flying up. I hate this game.
You're kidding.
I hate this game.
You're kidding.
I hate this game.
You're kidding.
I hate this game. Huh? What's this room? Oh, it's a bathroom.
Okay, guys, time to start packing. Oh wait, that's your line.
Okay, guys, time to start packing. The girls' bathroom, in the toilet has a rubber ducky. In the toilet.
Oh, I found.
In the toilet.
I can see that. I mean, I can see my dad. Not my dad in real life, but dad in the game.
Yeah, outside looks sick. Now I need to retrieve this to my book bag.
What if I just block
It's an
you?
Earth shirt. I want to wear the Earth shirt. Because save the Earth, everybody. Wear your COVID mask.
Yeah, wave the COVID mask if you're not vaccinated. Oh my.
Yeah, if you're not vaccinated, that's just... And you're not in quarantine.
Oh, by the way, guys, next about Friday, I'm not gonna be able to post any videos. I'm really sorry, guys, because I'm going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship, soaring through the sky, Little Einstein's. I'm kidding. So I'm going on a trip, and
On a very rocket ship?
I'm going on a trip to North Carolina, so I have to quarantine after that, so I cannot make any videos. And then I have to go to North Carolina, so I really can't.
He can't post.
I can't post. I collected 2 things from the girls' room and 1 thing from the boys.
Oh, same with me.
No, wait, I collected everything
Why
from
is
the
there
girls'
green?
What do you mean?
Why is there? Burger Shop's right. Come on.
Let's go to the backyard.
Okay. I'm breaking the door open with my fist. A swimming pool.
Oh wait, there's a vent. Let's go to the vent. Oh, what the? There's actually there's a thing. Come down the vent. Come down the vent. Yo.
What?
There's LED lights. Press them.
I got a badge.
Same.
Well, I think we know what.
I think we're gonna drown.
Get out now. Get out. We need to take a seat.
Alright.
I'm taking us right here.
Yeah, you're right. Wait, I'm pretty sure I see a green one. What the? What is he doing with the? Not me.
Who wants burgers?
Why do you make burgers for breakfast?
Fine, I do. I'm so hungry. Even if I want bacon, I want bacon and eggs. You said that's what we're having.
Yeah, there's a green bug. Yo, chill.
I just punched him so hard in the face. I made him bleed.
Yo, chill. Chill. 1 for the Boston Players ID. Yeah, sub.
1 for Boston Eaters. 6.
And that's all of them. Enjoy.
That's all.
They're disgusting, man. I'm kidding.
I just hope you realize there was like 20 others or 18.
And then he just put it in
everyone,
his pocket.
Spring State News.
Oh.
Oh, it's the radio.
Earlier
this month.
the president congratulated brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane.
Whoa, can you imagine saving a plane? Yeah.
However, the president said in conference, as we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. Shush! The police warns everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case.
Okay, my big brain.
How? Oh wait, you read that.
How can someone explain? Oh my, look at the time.
What about that? I'm gonna get my burger all soggy and wet.
Okay. Nah. I like cheeseburgers. Wait.
Oh, don't say right.
This has lettuce in it. This has lettuce. Get this out of here. Drown it.
Drown it.
Follow Dad. Okay.
I'm gonna block Dad. Oh, he went through me.
No, it said. I see the front door open, so I'm going outside.
What do you mean front door? I have a bad feeling about this.
I have a bad feeling about this. Me too, for some reason. I figured Dad's gonna explode.
What if I just leave?
I have a bad feeling about this. The garage? Are you stupid? Wait for it. What? A present for...
Oh, present for you, your very own small plane.
There's only 2 of us.
I'm still in the backyard.
Wait, yeah, what's in the back? This is mine.
No, it's mine. I'm inside yours.
Fine, I'm eating my burger. Give me a... Okay, I ate my burger. Come on! Get on your plane! My Louie's dying! Wow. Can you read the instructions? Get on plane. Get on plane.
I can't jump out.
Okay. Do we have a driving?
I've seen guys in the other side. Bye. Wait.
Yay!
We don't even know how to fly these. Yes, we do. You just need to press arrow keys. Whoa.
Yeah,
wait.
for me, I actually need a drive.
I don't know.
Obstacles.
Wait. How do you drive? Whoa. Whoa.
I don't know how to drive it.
I'm
I
using
almost
my arrow
crashed.
keys. Caution.
Beep, bop, boop.
Whoa, look at the police car.
Yeah, we. I nearly crashed myself.
Imagine, like, there's somebody in the car and they see kids just flying a plane.
Yeah, then they have to report this. And then they have to report this to the news.
Yeah, and like, cause like kids.
Because it's illegal.
Wait, what
Because
do you mean?
it's kind of illegal.
What do you mean?
I feel like this is illegal because.
I mean, yeah, we don't have a driver's license.
Yeah, airport. How do we get to the airport in like 30 seconds? It's only 30 seconds. We're here. How did you get here? How did you get here?
How did you get?
Everyone, the two of you should have said are here.
Wait, I forgot to tell you.
Flying is over.
Whoa! Flying over that shortcut is illegal.
Hopefully, no one saw you.
The police
you
saw
have
us.
gone to jail, and I want you to now. The airport is just okay. What?
The police saw us. I'm pretty sure. Like there was a police car. Remember?
Okay, I'm not gonna listen to him and go the other. You can't go the other way, so. Why are you so slow, and why am I faster than you? Tell me that reason.
Oh look, there's a
I'm
car.
actually faster than you.
Look at there's a car to the left.
A car?
Yeah.
Let's just go with the road, because.
Hey car.
Okay, go.
Yeah. How did that not kill me?
Okay, never try that. Never try that.
How did that not kill me? It's leaving in 5 minutes. Dang, dude. We're gonna miss this flight.
Leave it in 5 minutes.
1. Go over here. 2.
Where's our tickets?
Yeah, do we have ticket? You already have your ticket? You already have your ticket? How? How?
How? We don't have ours. I have my bag. Your bag's right here. Get your ticket from the thing. It says you get your tickets from here, so. I'm gonna use my ticket, but then go out. Never mind.
No more waiting.
Yeah, I think this is kind of sharp, so. Okay, it does nothing.
Hey, look, it's the airplane.
It does nothing. Oh, great. Yay.
How come so many flights are delayed? Like 4 flights are delayed. What?
I know.
Don't worry. You are just in time.
For what?
For
Okay,
what?
here-
Yeah,
here.
for what?
Why do I still have this? Alright.
Oh, Dad! What? I don't have anything on me.
Go through here.
Other
I wanna
than
see.
these weapons. Whoa! You have weapons? Oh,
I don't have weapons.
the dad has. The dad has.
No, look.
Oh,
Oh
no.
no, I only brought
I
like
don't
a
like how that
machete, 2
sounds.
guns, 3 knives.
With 3 knives. Yo. Wait. Oh, shoot.
I only
Oh,
brought something.
shoot.
I only brought something because I thought we were.
You were going to have to come to with us.
No.
Nah, I'm good. I'm good. See you later, buddy.
Okay, can I pull out my machete now?
Yeah, just pull out your machete. Oh, there's a bat.
no!
There's a bat. There's a bat.
I can't pick it up. Do I need to leave?
Is it still there on your screen?
Yes.
Oh wait. Yeah,
I
wait.
can't grab it.
Could you pick it up now?
No.
Wait, get the key card out of your hand.
I can't.
What?
Well, I'm gonna have no weapon. Thanks to this game.
Yeah, what is the weapon for though? Whoa, what is that red thing in the airship? Good.
It's
Whoa.
a skeleton. It's the skeleton.
What's the skeleton? Oh wait,
Last one.
the last
Wait,
one.
it's
My
finally-
family. Whoa.
Play
Hey
it.
yo, wait.
Play
What
it.
the? Yo. Wait, look out this window.
Are you enjoying the show?
Humans?
Humans.
The
No.
road will soon be property of the undeads. Oh shoot.
Huh?
Boy, I will kill you. Come here. Come face me. dare you.
Don't worry.
Don't worry, you'll be part of my army.
No,
too.
I don't think so.
I don't want to be part of your army. You look ugly.
He looks kind of ugly.
Dude, he's massive.
I know.
Big. Whoa. Oh,
I'm stuck now.
could you pick up the thing weapon?
No, I'm stuck.
What the? Whoa.
Look, the cops are back. Maybe they can help us.
I don't think those cops are friendly.
Yeah, me either, actually.
Grab the thing. Yes!
I got a weapon.
Oh!
Ah! Like a wolf! Smack them! Smoke! I need some help.
Got him.
Well, at least I got a bat. I would have the bat out, I think.
Oh,
That
I
was
took it.
horrible. We gotta
Hey.
find a place to go.
Look, there's vents. Yeah, get me through this vent. Get me through this vent. Open up!
I said I'm not
open up!
dead.
Oh, it actually opened up. It actually.
Look, guys, we found a vent to open up.
All right, come on, Dad. You gotta do some dad parkour. Whoa. We need to
We
get out
need
of
to
here.
get out of here.
Quick!
Quick.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Wait! Where is Dad?
Oh, his eyes! His eyes! Yo, look at
You
his eyes!
need to keep
Keep going.
going.
Without me!
Oh no.
The
The
skeleton.
skeleton curse is affecting Dad.
No! Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, I agree with you. Let's get out of here.
I don't care about Dad.
Yeah.
Look, there's something here. Oh, I just got a award again. Right.
Well, I want that.
Oh. I mean, we have. Oh my!
You only have 70 seconds.
Oh, it's
Come on.
him! It's him! It's General
Oh, it's
Poncho.
him. General Beside.
Poncho.
I don't know.
Looks
his
like
name.
I'm late to the party. Okay, buddy.
What do you mean
What?
party?
Who even are you? You're General Poncho.
Well, I'm going, guys. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Oh, I can't.
Invisible wall. Invisible wall. But can I at least jump off? No, I really can't.
Literally, those look like weapons. Look at the fleece. We're the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy comes to us. We're both really low.
We need to do for our dad.
It's time to be here then. Follow me.
No, I don't think we need to really.
Yeah, I think we just need to save ourselves. Why are you so big? He's so big.
I know, but he's thick.
Oh, whoa.
Kind of thick.
Oh wait, there's a kid. There's a person. There's a person. There's a person.
It's a person. That way. Wow, I'm faster than a guy that faked his death. Wow.
Yeah.
Who is this guy? Well, his suit looks familiar.
Yeah. It looks like Ronald. I'm not gonna lie.
Kind of does.
Not Ronald. Like the other guy.
A pilot. No, his hair.
No.
Look at his hair.
Oh, it's Ronald.
What? He's half infected. He's half infected.
No way. You're supposed to be dead. I guess we're both supposed to be dead, but here we are. When the dark side attacked the prisoner plane, we got shot in the face. What? You guys did? That curse made me become weaker. The only way I can be completely free is by killing Skeletox.
Okay.
I still don't trust you. Let's go with General though. You could be lying to us.
Yeah, he could.
You're not going to be a part of this mission. Well, I'm still gonna do it, General. Who's coming with me?
Not me.
Not me. There's no way my team is going with you.
Ronald. I got the name wrong. General.
Yo, you wanna go?
Psycho.
General Psycho. But you sound like you just called him a psycho. Come here, boy.
Psycho.
General Psycho. General Psycho.
General Psycho.
General Poncho. Stay out.
General Poncho.
Stay out of our way,
I haven't
Ronald.
learned this name. I forgot since the last video. Well, this is where it is.
This is the place where all that evil energy comes from.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh
no, they found us.
Couldn't we just battle them with our bats or knives?
No.
I'm following you. I'm pretty sure we have to stick to the side. Maybe there's 2 ways, 3 ways. I don't know.
I'm just completely guessing. Dude, that's scary.
I don't think this is the way. I don't think this is the way, baby. Why? I feel like they're...
Oh, wait. Oh, we're here. I think.
Yeah, this looks like...
What is this place? Looks like an evil altar.
Yeah.
Someone must have summoned Skeletox. This golden plane looks like an offering. Whoa!
You idiot!
Oh shoot! What the?
Help!
I'm on the floor.
Look where I am!
What the? Please don't kill me! Please don't! Oh my god!
What's this?
Oh, I grabbed it.
You grabbed it?
I have it. I have the sword.
Wait, is it worth Robux?
You're right, General. No. Who is this? Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh my. Pilot Kelly? I thought she was dead.
Dead. That.
Oh,
Jack and
that guy.
that guy.
I don't know who that
Who is he?
I think he's from like a different story map. He made. Dude,
Yeah,
look
maybe.
at this sword. Oh!
Yo, can I not pick it up?
I think since you have the bat in your hand, you can. It's too late. Whoa.
Where are you? Are you behind him?
Oh! We fall.
No. Front of us, yeah.
Why do you think I go after planes? It's the easiest way to get souls together. Scared for their life. I used the round because I didn't have enough power to do it myself.
Wow, loser.
But now I do. Get ready to be. Oh! Yo!
I got the sword.
Nice! Kill him! Find a way to kill
I don't think
Skeletox.
we can.
Whoa! What is he doing? Whoa!
Oh, I get this now. Running. With the fast, that's fast. He's doing it again.
He's coming after me this time. I dodged it. I dodged it. Oh, he's going after me again.
Stick to over here, by the way, or else he's gonna get hit.
Right.
Ow! He hit me.
Did he do a lot of
I guess we hit him now.
Did he
Nope.
do a lot of damage?
No. I get hit.
Ooh.
I got hit.
Did he do a lot of damage?
Yes.
Oh, he's going after you. Run. Nice. We attack him. I'm going to try to attack him. Yep, I'm killing him.
How much HP does he have?
I don't know. He should be dead by now. Okay. Oh, you can see, we took half his health.
Wait, where? Oh yeah. I have Robux, so if I die, I can come back to life.
Oh my God, this is insane.
Hey, yo, Gerald, why aren't you doing anything?
Hey, General, why aren't you doing anything? Yeah. Are you just too scared? General.
Yeah, I think he is.
He's coming after me this time.
I don't want him to hit me, so I'm gonna go under his arm.
Oh, wow, good shot. Oh, he still hits you.
He still hit me.
Uh-oh. He's coming after you. No! No, stick to the walls. Just stick to the walls. No, he's gonna go down on you. Don't. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my God. I gotta beat him. For Daniel.
I'm back! I'm back! Boy, where you at?
He's right here.
Hit him!
Oh my God, you're back. He never died.
Like I said, I have Robux.
Kill him. Oh,
How
he has
much
1 HP. Look at his
1 HP! Don't die right now.
Oh my, I don't have Robux. So.
I took most damage from the soldiers, so yeah.
True.
Get back!
Oh shoot.
Get over here where I am! Stick to walls!
Nice! I missed. I dodged him. I was stuck
Go
to the
over
walls.
here! Come on!
Coming over. Oh, he's coming after me. He's gonna get me. Oh,
Run! Run over here!
I'm coming over.
If he tries to smack us.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wow.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. You're bad. You're bad.
You're fat. You are fat.
You're. Oh, I took a lot of damage. Oh, he hit me. You're fat. That's
Hey,
how
yo,
you
Skeleton!
hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Oh, I couldn't hit him.
I think right here.
This is the way we go in. Go, go, go.
Not me!
How much health does he have left? Get him! Oh, his health does. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, going
Go
right down.
back to where Skeleton! Go back to where you belong!
Yeah, oh, you were singing one of the. Oh, run! Yes. Oh, Tron, go back to where you belong.
Wait, what
You
did you
did it,
say,
soldiers.
Jacob?
No, it's like one of those like things like, oh, Tron, go back to where you belong. Like one of those Avengers when like the Avengers sing a song. Right? Did we win? Did we do it?
I
Did
saw
we
it and it got over. I saw it against over.
win? Ronald Trump.
King Kong, go back to where you belong.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, dude, it's Ronald Trump.
Yo, look, it's Albert. It's Albert. It's Mini Dude.
Wait, what?
Look,
Dude,
over there in the background.
it is. Wait, look at Ronald. He's happy now. He's
Mr.
good.
Master
He's good.
Baby.
And finally he is gone. I know
This-
Dad would be proud. Wait,
Donald
what
Trump.
about our dad? Ronald Trump.
Ronald?
Eat my butt. I can kill you right now, Ronald Trump.
Wait,
who's
who's
that over there? What's up,
What's
family?
up, family? Did you miss me?
Where are you?
No.
Wait.
Wait.
No way!
No way.
Hey, Doug. Wait, I did miss you. What? Mom!
Mom. Wait.
Wait,
Kelly's
Kelly's
our
our mom? Oh my god.
That's right. And the family is finally completed again.
Aw.
Come on.
I'm
Isn't this
I'm
amazing,
killing you.
Gerald?
Get
Daryl?
Where's Daryl?
Wait.
Where's Daryl?
He was just standing right here.
We can be sure. We can be sure wherever he goes, he will be saving the world. Oh, that's loud. Everybody
I
for
got the
one
good
last
ending.
flight. I got the good ending too.
One last flight.
That was the final game, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We beat it! We beat it! Let's go!
We just beat it. Let's go. Well, hope you enjoyed the video, guys.
I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And yeah, it's been your boy, the Bustle Plays. Wait, do you want to say like it's been your boy, the Bustle Plays, and
It's been your boy.
the Bustle Plays, and
Peace.
and who else? Who else?
Boss Anita 652. Peace.
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 Peace. Holy cow, that was a
Peace.
34-minute video. What? Alright. Peace.